Thought I'd show you my most recent purchase. Here it is. 243 Freeride in size large. Same as I had on the video when I was hucking stairs with Monster T's. Only this is actually a size large. The one I was hucking stairs was only a size small, so it was way too small for me. So you probably don't realise, but that frame was actually really small when I was hucking those stairs and stuff. Ended up bashing my knees on the stem and the crowns of the forks quite a lot, but this one's size large, so should fit me well. And as you can see, it's in really good condition for its age. It's hard to find one this good, to be honest. Well, it's hard to find one at all, but some old boy was selling this one. Absolute bargain, to be honest. But yeah, look how minty it all is inside. So really good condition inside and out. It's got a few like little chips and scrapes, but as expected for a frame that's 16 years old or 17 years old. But this is absolute beast. They come with the actual original tensioners, chain tensioners, and the original V-brake mounts even. So yeah, gonna be building this frame up and riding it. Even come with a nice old DMR chainstay protector, which is quite rare nowadays as well. Yeah, so I'm going to be building it up with single crowns. I'm not going to put the dual crowns on this one ever, because the last two of these frames I dented this bit with the dual crowns by crashing, and obviously the crown hit into that and dented it, so I don't really want to do that on this one. But yeah, gonna build it up, send it, put some 26-inch wheels on it, RockShox domains maybe, and do some big sends on it. So yeah, here's my Baffa Minuteman. I thought I'd just show you while I'm doing it, and the old orange 224. And then I've got over here my Transition Trail / Park. I've got my NS Suburban jump bike, and then my cross country bike, which I occasionally ride, GT Aggressor with rigid forks. But it's my whole collection of bikes, but are rideable anyway. But yeah, so I just bought some tyres second hand, Max's high rollers. So I'm just waiting for them to come, and I've got some MTB Lab 26-inch wheels to put on it, RockShox domains. But yeah, I'll go and get some of the bits that I've got for it, and then I'll show you. So keep watching. Right, so here's some of the bits I got for it. Is reducer cups to go in the bottom bracket. That's the wrong side, but you get the idea. It goes in there, and you can fit a normal MTB bottom bracket instead of the old school BMX one, which I can't even talk. Which this is designed to take. So yeah, I've got that. I've got the RockShox domains, 180mm travel, which I'm going to be putting on there. I've got a 24/7 cranks with 24/7 chainring, nice big fat things made of steel. I might or might not use these yet. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to put them on and see what they're like. And then I've got my other 243 frame, 243 DH, which I will build up again eventually. But I'm going to steal the headset off that. So it's a gold FSA Orbit one. And then I've got a 243 seat post and a Alienation pivotal seat post with a bone deaf leopard saddle. Oh my god, messing up everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna stick that on there, and then I've got the MTB Lab wheels, like I say. So I'll put some bits together and then show you what it's like in a minute. Thanks for watching. Putting the headset cups in with this headset tool. Presses it from either side. So this is how I'm getting on so far. I've got the seat post on, saddle, got the Brave Pogo seat clamp on, put the bottom bracket things on the right way, and yeah, build it up from there. So hope you're enjoying watching. Right, so I was going to put the crown race on the forks, like that. Don't need a tool for that one. Just got a little split bit in the end. Right, and then I'm going to get the frame, stick the forks on, see what it looks like. There we go. Have a look. See what it looks like. If we can get it stand up. There we go. Right. That's what it looks like so far. The Beastmobile. It's an absolute tank. Yeah, this bike's gonna be mad. Absolutely mad. But yeah, I'll carry on doing it. Black Spire 500 OS beaver stem to go on. Absolute beast of a thing. So I'm going to stick that on. These handlebars I think are bent, so I'm going to change them for some race face ones I've got. But yeah, let's put it on. Right, so I've got the stem in place and the bars. I've got a race face top cap to do up the headset, and then I've got a Hope spacer. Show you from this angle what it looks like so far. But yeah, it's getting there. So just putting together the pieces now, like a big puzzle. Yeah, hopefully these forks run alright. I haven't used them in a while, so we shall see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching for more. Here it is. It's about as far as I can get at the moment. Obviously it's not going to have those tyres on it because I'm putting downhill tyres on it, Max's high rollers. But yeah, I need some new bearings for the cranks, the bottom bracket should I say. It's got a tiny bit of play in it, it's not too bad. But got most of the parts. Just need to get some brakes sorted out for it and wait for the tyres to arrive in the post. I've got a pair of Hope M4s, so I just need to get a longer hose on the front. So I might get that done and then put a pair of Hope M4s on it perhaps. Or something like that. And also I'm going to change the bars for the race face ones. But let me know what you think in the comments. And I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. It's a bit different to usual. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already.